We're in Waimate, just stopping here for a couple of days and then carrying on to Christchurch. But something I wanted to share with you. This lady behind me washed these rugby shirts for the town by hand, ready for the next game. Her name is Stella Chamberlain, and she was born in 1920 and died in 2014. She became the first woman to be made life member of the Waimate Rugby Club. She washed the senior rugby side's jerseys for 35 years, and she never had a washing machine. Instead, they were soaked in a bath, washed by hand, and then put on a dryer. Put in a wringer and then hung out to dry.